ner malaken yam biya malaken woro 9 TV channel ka jan gwasame gor jan o be rachime be jan nywaka ya ngumi yan ke key opposition general ray which ka South Sudan akirma yadit la general tin kontin la nyin aspele mayo kana kontin bukon ke nyakel gwasame ngay kone gwanan wo ke jan gwasame tama la kuma South Sudan ke kuma kirma yadi de kon lareno do badana yene aspele mayo ke yene bon aspele mayo ke ja wajen a violation dung revitalized peace agreement e cha tan koron kina dangra wir wal badek me cha tan ka Khartoum kana Sudan mi kon lingwasa me ta dana tension nene ti ngwana tamre wi ki Juba che wonial ke wi mon ke li won tama chiri diali kan ngaje no South Sudan che ko do mo gwa we rerika ala main opposition party spele mayo me ta ngede dial ka jeno be South Sudan bete kamal ke kam kirma yadit kan Dr. Yang Machate nyo bete kamal ki spele mayo kan SPLM right kirma yadit kan pandang roden kontila main ten lat kamal kayja mi chogo to ka temen go yan kan de kontila SPLM mayo re which ka Juba kwar kenti dit ten yan kare which en winami kapka ke bomre dor ken chirgama ngayen no tianka war ke chanka wan ka paidyok ron kine dangro di jeno shane to walong chaka kapka SPLM mayo kene de konya kap wan kana long ka kapka ke ka takur ram ji tore which ka nasir ko gi ke je en o kene te ken ka long medi de long ne de konya cha kap General Gabriel Doblam General Kongat ko Kerjok General Wesley Walebe General Ashab Kamis Fahai General Garang Ayi Akol kene dialti kene ti chayen bana position ken ke gwada ante ke tingene ti bana ke gwich ga ta danen chaler me chaje no je ko NSPL mayo ta dan yan ke chala do shikan te ko ngot munyo de gwano violation kamal nan gor ko bere which ka South Sudan kan ta SPL mayo chaga yan re dor ken ta tanken wa chaga yan ka bil pam gwasa dan ti detin nyok wariuna chaga yan ne ko la national security NSS re wike South Sudan pinkir ma yadit chana madan chore ko lat gwasa me chana gorno bu kona ngaje no ngumi yan ka do bu dan yan ka shirga men chi ngai ne won yan ka kwi ko ken awa ni de kon la jejen bor tin chi we yara diu chi kana dakre which kan nasir awa ken ekene ken ki teken ka tet ko de ka linga ni de kon la jejen bor let ken ka widien tele party mu gur kene let ken ka widien no bi kene de kon tela de ni kem yadi bi ken ka wire which ka tanda nen chuch ken ka ja pin de ni toton ko gane ni kon chi ken gwini ne de kon tela nuori tin tage son jikanya no de ka ne ken gwi ken ka la de ken tung naka gwi ken why am la threat kuje mo melet ken wo de ken de konti la jejimbo de ken ka tuki de ken civilian de ken ganak chirka melet ken mo bokan ke ren yalle bokan ga meti dit sianga je gwan ore ne ala dana shibok re which kanasir sianga je no lude jokule la do brande lu joko jen go che open sianga je no take ramkel mingwet mi sey chenak ka kum kirma yadit mantama gangna ke kum ke mi yadit ko jen la ngene naka ngene te tot naka ka kamen chalat gwasame la ne de konen chayen General Gabriel Doblam jen wa lade ko chair ka joint defense board mutual ke JDB jen a deputy ka chief of staff ka South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF re wika South Sudan jen point the acting chief of staff ka SPL mayo jen yan ka jaka bil pam gwada dan ente la headquarter dung deni jen the main command center re wika South Sudan kelio gwadran te South Sudan military tetin ke gwadran na lana yan gatin gwad military command prison jen gwadan cha yenten rewi ke Juba en gwadran yan gatin tie ke University of Juba jen gwadran en cha yenten en wurishal ke General Gabriel Doblam ramaro gwatame General Kwang Gatkot Kerjuk jen lade an Inspector General of the South Sudan People Defense Force gwadran cha yenten cha yen dore ko dobran cha lat ke General Wesley Welebe jen lade Assistant Chief of Staff for Supply jen cha yen dore ramangwan jen General Ashap Kamis Fahal jen lade la Assistant Chief of Staff for Moral Orientation jen bo cha yen bo dore kana yen ka military barrack ram di jen General Garang Ayi Akol lade Director General Procurement at the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs wajen ramkel mirar representative kaswa kanede kone ayen eto cha yen ba dorte under house arrest without security la tele security met dor do no charge yen non kanede altitin cha yen waken a violation ka ta dan de maldar ben ke jere wi ka South Sudan wa men chalat kum kem yadit che chong ke shimagwa beje kun ke tok English ko biya je kula understand gwa ko dobranen chano ngaja South Sudanese security authorities have arrested or detained several senior military officials affiliated with the opposition SPLM-IO or Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition and another party called SSOA, South Sudan Opposition Alliance parties, as political and security tension escalated in Juba. A confidential report obtained by many medias in South Sudan about the detail of the detention blew out the key figures affected and the context surrounding the detentions. Number 1, General Gabriel Doblam, role co-chair of the Joint Defense Board or JDB, Deputy Chief of Staff of the South Sudan People Defense Forces or SSPDF, and acting Chief of Staff of the SPLM-IO. Initially arrested at Bilfam, the Army Main Command Center, and later transferred to the Southern Military Command Prison near the University of Juba. His arrest is seen as significant due to his senior position and leadership role within the SPLM-IO led by Dr. Riek Machar. Number 2, General Kwangal Kot Kerjuk, role Inspector General of the South Sudan People Defense Force, place where he is detained. It is under house arrest and stripped of his security details. Number 3, General Wesley Welebe, Assistant Chief of Staff for Supply, under house arrest without security guard. Number 4, General Ashaf Kamis Fahad, his role is Assistant Chief of Staff for Moral Orientation, similarly placed under house arrest and deprived of his security details. Number 5, General Garang Ayi Akol, his role is Director General of Procurement at the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs and a representative of the SOA. He is also under house arrest without security. The reason behind the detentions, no official explanation has been provided by South Sudanese authorities for the arrest. However, the detention occurred against a backdrop of heightened political and security tension, particularly in the 3 states controlled by the SPLM-IO, Western Equatoria, Western Barghazal, and Upper Nile State. Analysts suggest the detention may be linked to recent unrest in these states as well as challenge in the implementing the 2018 peace agreement. A report by the opposition SPLM-IO outlines several recommendations to address the situation. Number 1, immediate release of detainees. The government should release all detained officials, ensure their safety and legal rights, and withdraw troops surrounding Dr. Riek Machar's residence. Number 2, transparent investigation. An independent and transparent investigation into the arrest should be conducted with accountability for any legal violation. Number 3, dialogue and reconciliation. All parties in South Sudan must recommit to dialogue and national reconciliation to rebuild trust and stability. Number 5, regional and international involvement. The regional and international community should pressure the government of South Sudan to protect detainees' right, de-escalate tension and resume full implementation of the peace agreement. Jen andan di yen linga na me kata dan ente South Sudan te rering ni ka jaki ta dan tek insecurity te rewi ki Juba ngode wa ka mugor ga madan en broad laden wala rewi ka South Sudan gwad mi shala no bi kuma kirma yadit be te ka lerum be kana lat yo bi ajale linka gwad dan te ben ka jabi te kamal bye bye.